Okay, so uyu munsi ndashaka kwereka website ishobora kugufasha kweditinga amafoto yawe mu buryo bworoshye udakeneye Photoshop or any other software. So udakeneye kwiga kumara igihe kinini kwiga how you can edit, so you can do this yourself. So ushobora gukuraho background ku ifoto yawe. Okay, so ushobora gukura object yose. You can see object yose mu ifoto. You can see. So you can also edit 100 of photos in second. So these tools, it can offer you a lot of features. Okay, so you want to see these tools? Let's see. Okay, open your browser and write photoroom.com. Then let's see these free tools. Reka turebe muri rusange icyo iyi website free tools ishobora kuguhereza. So when you go here to free tools, you can see you have a number of free tools. Remove background, insert background. It's like gushyiraho background zitandukanye. So retouch is like mu ifoto ufite gukuraho ikintu icyo ari cyo cyose mu ifoto mu mwanya muto nko guhumbya. Blue background, instant shadow, white background, black background, image resizer, add text to photo, change background color, transparent background. So there are many tools. So let's try with remove background. Okay, so I go here. So remove background, so you can upload your photo or you drag it here, or you can use these photos here down. So let's use this one. When we click on it, so you wait a little bit. Okay, good. So and here is the result. So ahangaha urabona duse tubona resulta yacu twifuza. So guys, you can see before we have this, now after we have this. It's cool. Okay, so you can download it in your PC. So you can download it. Yeah, you see guys, the image is downloaded now. Okay, let's see another one. Let's do retouch here. I click. So here you can upload from your PC or you can drag image here. Okay, let's see. Let's import image. Okay, let me take this one. Okay, you can see. Now I want to remove this car emoji. So what I do, I just go like this. Okay, I wait a little bit. Hey, it's a magic, guys. You can see, so the emoji went. Okay, so let's try another one. Maybe let's try this transparent background maker. Okay, so we can select a picture here, or we can drop a picture here, or we can use all this image here. So let me use this one maybe. Okay, you can see here guys, there is no image here, so you can move this one anywhere. You can see. So now we have a transparent background now. So you see guys, so things, the website is cool. So guys, if you like my video, niba ukunze video yanjye, so please subscribe to my channel. Subscribe to my channel, please. Okay, bye.